Okay, what we're looking at are two yellow canary diamond studs. Please take a good look at these earrings. They're set in 10K authentic yellow gold. Each earring has a total of 25 micro canary yellow diamonds. Look at that shine. They're all authentic. You can buy now for $169. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And the back of these earrings are screwback posts, so you don't ever have to worry about them just falling off. All authentic. Please forgive me for the sun, but I did want to capture the shine of these earrings. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please email me. Short and sweet. Happy bidding.